ready to do my nails. We're just gonna see what we can do. Simple but fun nails. I do have these awesome colors to this blue, to some yellow, to some green, and to this other green. So we'll probably do that with swashy swash of the things. And of course, we need top coats. Awesome base coat of it all as well. Da 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 da. So yep, let's just get into this bad boy as I'm doing what I need to deal with. Yes, that's right. Ooh yeah. To get things sorted. Yep, that's right. I have to get things sorted in the parents' house. So just getting my nails done, something to enjoy, and all that awesomeness is. I have some glue in my other little thing, so maybe a little gem at the bottom so I can feel myself. At least if my nails are nice and done, then life is moderately okay. And yes, I did have my nails break on my other hand, left hand, so I had to shape them up and stuff. And of course, I put a nice base coat, nice clinging on base coat to hold on the color. And this is the color, nice sheer red of it all to an orangey. So, of course, it looks like a tomato for sure. That's what it looks like to me. So it looks like I squashed a tomato and made this color, especially because of the sheerness of it all. Yep. And this is the other sheer polish I have from the same brand. I'm going to put this on my thumb. And this is my other hand's color. Yes, my other hand's color. This nice purple. So I'm putting it on my thumb to show you the niceness of it all and everything. And of course, it's definitely going to make it juicier. And it definitely does with 2 coats, even if it's still sheer. That's what it's supposed to be. And now a second coat on this awesome, nice purple of it all as well. So now we're going to do the swishy swish of it all. I start out with this awesome blue color and some green to it all as well. Oh yes, the colors I've chosen. And some yellow color to bring out some brightness of it all. And another different green. Yep. And then I use this undertone color and I love it. It looks nice. Give it a little bit of sparkle. And of course, I'm showing you the colors, same colors on the purple thumbnail of it all. Yellow, green, purple, blue, and the undertone color as well. Yep. Just like this one with the awesome blue of it all. And of course, finishing now off with that sheer color. And there it is, looking nice. Of course, I do need to put that top coat on to hold all in so it really looks nice. And there we go. And I'm going to now use some glue. And this is just for the 2 middle nails to put a little gemmy gem. And I thought I'd bring the blue out a little bit more. So here's some blue gems to put into that glue as I hold it so it dries nicely. And now with all that done, getting that nice top coat to hold every little bit so I can wear it. Well, there we go. My nails are done. Doing it my maxi way of it all. It definitely is the best therapy as I oil file my nails as well with my oil pen. It might not be the greatest right now, but at least I have something I can do and enjoy doing my nails for me and all you on the other side. But of course, don't forget that I have my video up of when I fix these nails up and everything as they broke some. So yes, it's always going to happen. Breaks are breaks. Even if I got my strong nails, at least I'm dealing with it and having my long to short-ish nails for now. So with all that and the therapy of my nails, now I have something nice to look out for a little bit. Yep, it's very nice. I'm glad I have it, even if these are nice and simple and something I do a good amount. So with all that in mind, I'll see you on the flip side. Till next time, sparkle, sparkle, bye.